Hi guys, today I'm going to do a song I played a long time ago called What a Friend We Have in Jesus. And if you like the way I play it and would like to learn how to play it as I do, you can go to thegospelpickandpost.com. There's a link down in the description below. And I've got a lesson on there where I'll show you how to play it note for note exactly like I do. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks and God bless.